This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Lola DeRosero. Fantastic Fort Mill location. Wonderful 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with a 1-car garage, in award-winning Fort Mill schools. Very well maintained and ready for a new owner. Enjoy the large open floor plan and kitchen. Good-sized bedrooms upstairs with large walk-in closets along with a loft area that provides additional sitting area/office. Step outside for some quiet time on the spacious back patio that this home has to offer. Take a short drive and enjoy everything at your fingertips, from the booming Kingsley Town Center and Baxter Village areas of Fort Mill and the growing Riverwalk area of Rock Hill. This location is absolutely perfect for commuting to all of your favorite areas with convenient access to I-77. Don't miss out on this amazing townhouse. For more information